ecoFinish. Hello, we were given your information from ecoFinish as an installer in our area. We are in Perrysburg, Ohio. We have a Thursday pool, 16 by 40 fiberglass pool, Aspen model, that has some fading and discoloration, and we'd like to change the color. We would appreciate any feedback or information on if you would be able to help us with this project with the ecoFinish product.
So let's kind of take that one apart a little bit. While you're technically in our service area within 100 and some miles, I suppose, we don't tend to just sell the ecoFinish product. We got involved because we wanted its very specific use for our own projects that we're building. There is another company now in our market area here who does have the system that we could set you up with possibly, and maybe they'd be willing to travel that distance. There is a learning curve to it. It certainly takes some time to really understand it when an installer first installs. There's some practice. There's a lot of practice. So while this other company has been doing it now for a little while, going on a year, I can't say that I can vouch for final product or any of that. I just know that it certainly took me a long time to learn, and I imagine they're going through all the same things I went through. Amazing product. I think it's a really good product. I think when done properly, it's perfect. For me, we opted not to sell it out to anyone else because of our limited staff. If we had somebody who was willing to understudy and learn how to install a product for me, I wouldn't be opposed to that. But to this point, there's just haven't found the labor to take that on, because it's a whole study in and of itself, and you have to have a lot of background experience to understand what's going on before you can really apply the product. You got to understand the pool itself a lot better, and I just haven't found someone, and as a result of that, we limited to using it just for us, and haven't really reached out. We've shot a few pools for people, cleaned them up, and put new finishes on, but that's not really why we got it in the first place.